Hi, I'm Steven from American Safe, and today we'll go over changing the system time and date on the DSC Power Series Pro panels. Now, as to why we do this, to account for offset times due to power outages or daylight savings, you may need to manually reconfigure the time and date. This is not necessary for the general operation of the alarm, but is considered good practice, and having the proper date and time is useful for viewing the alarm system's event log to investigate any recent alarm activity. Generally, only supervisors are able to view the event log. Before we start, make sure that you have your own master or supervisor code ready and the correct date and time on hand. First, press *6, and then you'll be prompted to input your user code. Input your 4-digit user code here. Our supervisor code is 4321 in this example. And then scroll to the right until you see press * for time and date. Once here, press * once. The time in the alarm system is read in a 24-hour format, so if you want to input 2:15 p.m., you need to list it as 14:15. Once the correct time and date is input, the system will automatically back out, and you are finished changing the system time.